Hello guys, this is Teresa and thanks for stopping by my stamp room. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located here in central Indiana, and I'd love to share my paper crafting passion with you. So today I am, or this whole weekend, I am doing a online new catalog launch or party. So this is video number 4. Hi Cheryl. So make sure you go back and watch the others. So right now we are ready to do the Love and Happiness bundle. So a bundle is a group of products. It's a stamp set and either a punch or a set of dies. And this time with this bundle, it's a set of dies. It also is a hybrid, let me make sure, Bouquet of Love hybrid embossing folder. So I want to show you that too. It's really cool. Okay. So this should be a fairly short one. I'm going to go on my computer, make sure I'm up on there. Okay, while I'm waiting on making sure I am. Okay, I am up there. Great. I should be able to see comments a little better when I flip. Well, hi, Lisa Owen. So nice to see you. Okay, for my online party this weekend, I have a couple things going on. I'll be posting videos and different things today and tomorrow. So again, make sure you go back and watch. Make sure you comment. For every comment, well, for commenting, you will go into a drawing for a fun prize after the weekend. And also, please share. Make sure you post in there, comment that you actually have shared this to your social media and different pages. And then that will also get you into the drawing for a fun prize. Those two things help me boost my ratings on this silly social media stuff. So yes, please like, share, and spread the love. I do have ordering special for every $50 you purchase in my online store for the next 2 days until the end of Sunday. You will receive this fun pack of brushed brass butterflies. I'll eventually get it. Yeah. Oh, well, thank you, Cheryl. Appreciate that a lot. Okay, so make sure I get everything. Share, and then the ordering special. Oh, celebration. So we have 2 new catalogs, the mini catalog and also celebration. So celebration is promotion. For every $50 and $100 you spend, you will get a celebration item for free. Go back in my videos, and I think it's the first video I did. Goes over all the celebration details. Lost a train of thought. Whoa! Oh, and then the next thing we're going to be doing is I'm going through the mini catalog. So the last video I did was talking about the Sweet Talk Suite. Okay, so check that out. But now we are ready for Love and Happiness. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to get started. All right. Oh, host code, that's what it is. Okay, so I forgot to post, but I will go back. In the description, I have posted the link, or will post the link to where you can order. And then also, we have a starter kit promotion also. So if you have a wish list, and it is fairly long, then the best deal is to get a starter kit. It is $99, and you pick $125 worth of any kind of product that you want. It is free shipping. You get a paper pumpkin paper crafting kit along with that. You get the perks of being a discount shopper and all the perks of being a demonstrator and on my team. So I will post the link in that. I forgot to do that before I went live. Okay, and this is also the host code for this weekend's festivities. Okay, so this is the bundle, Love and Happiness bundle. It is everything, literally, love and happiness, a bunch of wedding sentiments, anniversary, getting engaged, all of that. Okay, so anything love related, there's a sentiment here for it. All right, then we also have the dies and then the embossing folder. So it is a combo. Okay. So here is the, I want to stand up so I make sure I get it. Here is the folder. It's a big folder. It's a 3D folder. It's thick. Okay. And you can kind of see that there's a heart in there. Okay. So, and you see how that's kind of indented in there? Okay. One of the dies is going to sit in there. And look at that fun, pretty pattern. Okay. So here are the dies. And there's not that many, but what they do is amazing. So this die right here sits down in there. See how that doesn't even move? Okay. And this die has some fun stitching on it. You put your paper in and then run it through. So I'm going to demonstrate that with you. Okay. And then you have some other fun. You have two different label dies, some flowers and a small heart and a little leaf. So super cute. Okay, so the first project that I have is actually a swap. So as a group of demonstrators, you get the chance to swap cards and ideas with each other. Okay, so this is one that I received in the mail. You see how fine that embossing folder is? So detailed. And then there's that heart. So it actually cuts out the heart also. And this is one of the sentiments and one of the labels. Okay. And this swap was from Marcia. Okay. So that's just one example of what this can do. And then here's another one I just did. You ready? Wow. How gorgeous is that? So this is on our gold foil. I ran it through. Then I also ran it through again with the die in there. So you can run it through without the die and it won't cut out the middle. Won't cut out the heart. Then you can run it through with the heart and it will cut out. Does that make sense? Where's my paper? Okay, so this is how I got that. Okay. And then the 50, because that is the golden anniversary, I used the Playful Alphabet dies. And then I just picked out the 5 and the 0. And one really cool thing about this is they actually have the numbers and letters printed on here. So you know where to put them back and you know if you've lost a piece. I think that was super smart. Hi, Jason. Okay. So die cut, or ran that through the embossing folder. I ran it through the embossing folder with the die cut. Die cut the 5 and the 0. This, can you still use the die without the embossing folder? Yes. Yes. So these are just a regular set of dies. So if you just wanted this, you just use it as a regular set of dies. Now, it wouldn't be embossed because you don't have the embossing folder, but okay. And then this is one of the sentiments. This label is from another stamp set. And then I actually added just a tiny bit of lace. Okay. I thought that was beautiful. So let's see this in action. Okay, so I thought since you can see how it embosses and such on cardstock and then foil, I thought let's try to see how it does on vellum. Now vellum's kind of a tricky thing to emboss. Sometimes it will actually crack the vellum, so I have no idea how this will work, but I thought I would give it a try. Okay, so what we're going to need is our embossing machine. Okay, so this is the standard size die cut and embossing machine. Okay, and then we are going to need the base plate and then specialty plate number 4. Okay, because this is a 3D embossing folder. Okay. So we're going to open that up. I'm going to put my die in. I'm going to put my paper over. Okay, see how that is? Okay, we're going to close that up. And then we are going to slowly crank that through. And I'm only going slowly because it's vellum and I don't know how it's going to react. Okay, so that kind of warped it just a little bit. Okay, so there's the die. So it has now embossed. And then die cut that piece. So you can use them together or separately. So it did a pretty good job of embossing on the vellum. I don't see any tears. That's why I was trying to go really slowly. Okay, so let's put that. I'm going to grab a piece of cardstock. Got this. Ho, 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 ho. Beautiful, if I don't say so. And you could pop that up or die cut and put something else inside of that. Gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so that is that. And if you just wanted to emboss the heart without it cutting out, just don't put your die in. Just do the embossing folder. Yes. But the embossing folder and the dies do come as a combo pack. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool. It did kind of bend that a little bit. So maybe the next time I run it through, I'll run it through upside down. It should work just the same, but that way it is kind of bending it backwards, if that makes sense. Okay, one other thing I'm going to try before we go is this sample right here. Now, don't forget that your catalogs are actually great idea books too. It says add color to embossed images with Stampin' blends. Okay, so I want to try that. So I grabbed some Stampin' blends and I want to just use the piece that I die cut out. All right, I'm going to try to zoom in just a little bit. Keep that right there. Okay, so there are flowers and leaves. So I think I'm going to do some leaves first. And kind of, okay, I think I want to use brush tip. And pardon me if I don't talk. Okay, so that's the brush tip on that one is just a little bit too much. Let's go to the bullet tip. Very light hand. You don't need much of anything. Okay, and then I think I picked Daffodil Delight. So yeah, this would be a good project if you are watching TV or something. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, I think I am actually going to on this side. So I'm going to grab some of our Stampin' Right markers. Okay. I'm not doing a lot of shading. I'm just doing coloring on here. So let's see how they do with just the marker. I don't think it bleeds near as bad. But I'm not doing a great job of. I'm a little shaky. Anyway, yeah, that's not as good, but yeah, if you were just coloring something and you don't mind it all being one color, your Stampin' Right markers still work really well. But if you want colors to blend together, then I would definitely do your alcohol markers. Okay, well, I'm not sure about that technique. What do you think? I would have to do a little bit more practice. That's very, very detailed. And then there's their sample. Make sure I get it up in the camera. So obviously they did a much better job than I did, but that is another option that you can do. So, all right, that was a quick one. There we go. Hi guys. All right, so we looked at the Love and Happiness stamp set. And then the dies, with that die, and how it, where's my embossing folder? Oh, it's probably down there with mine. But how it can actually emboss this, and then how it can cut out that also. Okay. And this was my first sample, and this was a swap. Oops. The swap I received in the mail. And then this is the card I made. Wow, it's just so bright. I love it. So for a 50th anniversary card. So if anybody needs a 50th anniversary card, let me know. There we go. But I hope you like those projects. That is the next thing in line on my catalog. And let's see. What do I have next? Flowering Fields. I actually don't have the stamp sets for that, but I have the paper and embellishments. So we'll see what is up next. Ooh, I maybe do the ladybug. That may be the next video. Okay, yeah, I may do that. So, ladybug and ladybug punch. I think that's going to be the next one. So until then, like, comment, and share for prizes for the end of the week and weekend. And please comment. And yes, I will see everybody in the next video. Thanks. Bye.